Hello my dear friends, today we are going to start the next level of the sight words. Let's read the sight words. T-H-I-S this. T-H-I-S this. The next sight word is these. T-H-E-S-E these. T-H-E-S-E these. The next sight word is that. T-H-A-T that. T-H-A-T that. The next sight word is those. T-H-O-S-E those. T-H-O-S-E those. The next word is them. T-H-E-M them. T-H-E-M them. The next word is there. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. The next word is very. V-E-R-Y very. V-E-R-Y very. The next word is from. F-R-O-M from. F-R-O-M from. The next word is could. C-O-U-L-D could. C-O-U-L-D could. The next word is would. W-O-U-L-D would. W-O-U-L-D would. Next word is should. S-H-O-U-L-D should. S-H-O-U-L-D should. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe the channel.